Good day. Today we'll be covering CTEs, Common Table Expressions in SQL Server Management Studio. A common table expression only runs for the duration of your SQL query and will not be saved after closing that query, which means it will not be saved in any table or database. To create a common table expression, you start with CTE, listings, which can be a name that you define, and say as, which is an alias, and then open bracket, and inside the query, the common table expression, you'll be selecting dot from an existing table. So here we'll be using listings, the one we commonly use. We're going to be selecting the name, host name, and price from listings. If you run this inner query, you will see the data from the table. And then the outer query, which says select all from CTE listings, is simply selecting the data which you created inside the inner query. When you run this all, and you see that it says with CTE listings, and then here we call it from CTE listings after we populated CTE listings with the inner data from the table. And there you have it, and you'll notice here that the column names are not renamed. The second way to create a CTE, using the same method as above, we're going to be renaming the columns CTE name, CTE host name, CTE price, instead of using the ones below here from the table listings. And then when you run this, it simply renames the column names, and you execute it. You'll notice there with CTE name, with CTE host name, with CTE price. These are user defined. The other way, which I showed you using our unions, is without the with, and creating the outer query first for that CTE, and then the inner query is going to contain our table data. And then when you run all from this, it will still give you the exact same as the first one. Thank you.